Hi everybody, I'm Jezaadia and today I'm speaking about the Dove Intensive Repair. Thank you. A little bit of background. As you can see, my hair is white, blonde, very light color. It's still in its lightening phase. I've bleached it and dyed it about 6 times in the last month or so. So I've been using a purple shampoo, and all that did was keep the color in. So my hair has been quite damaged. So I haven't really used anything to repair the damage. So when I used the intensive repair, I was really surprised because in 3 days, the damage really subsided. Because when I used to comb my hair out, chunks of hair came out. Like I even have like a little bald spot, not a bald spot, but like my hair is quite short here at the back, man, compared to the rest of my hair. So I was really surprised. But the thing is, when I use the intensive repair, my color faded. So what I did was I bought a small bottle of Jensen's Violet from like Clicks, and I added like 3 drops to the Dove, and I made my own little concoction, my own purple shampoo, and I got my own purple shampoo with an intensive repair. So now a week later, I got the best of both worlds, and it's an intensive repair and a purple shampoo. So now my hair doesn't fall out as much. So like literally now, like I play with my hair a lot, and my hair doesn't break and it doesn't fall out as much as it did. And obviously the more I use it, the breakage won't be as much as it was, and I'm really happy with the results. Also, the color keeps in, so obviously when I dye my hair again, it's not going to be as bad as it was before. So yes, I'm really going to stick to the Dove and my own mixture of the purple shampoo. And compared to the prices I usually pay for purple shampoo, which is like 120 rand per bottle or even more sometimes, compared to like 59 rand a bottle, it's really worth it. So like for both 49 and 49, like 100 bucks for both. Yeah, no, it's really worth it. I'm sticking to this, and in a week I've noticed a big difference. Big chunks of hair don't fall out anymore. I'm not afraid to comb my hair. I don't have to leave it in a bola anymore. Yeah, no, I really love this product. It made a huge difference. I'm really not afraid to comb my hair anymore because I'm not afraid of breakage and losing my hair. I mean, I should have learned after like the 3rd time of dyeing my hair, but I really want to get that perfect blonde and like white and silver color. And I've also maybe should have learned from like the box dyes, but anyhow, there's a story for another day. But yeah, no, the Dove Intensive Repair is really a good product. For people that have damage issues, this is the product to look into. So from me, good luck.